Welcome to JSN Backcountry Snowmobiling. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to remove these warning decals. Do you take off your warning decals or you just leave them on? Here's my 2022 Polaris 850 Khaos, Matryx, Slash, and Fergus. On all of my previous sleds, they've had these big ugly warning stickers on both knee panels. I would go and start peeling them off and it starts leaving a residue. So today we're going to use a heat gun and take these off really fast. So we'll start out on low. That came off really quick. There's no residue left on it. If you found that useful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I have more content like this on the way. So before I take it all the way off, I should probably read the decal first. So I think it said this snowmobile is designed for 1 operator and 0 passengers. Read the warnings in the owner's manual. Never consume alcohol or drugs before or while operating this vehicle. Sharp turns could destabilize vehicle. Always wear DOT approved helmet. Proper riding gear. Do not attempt adjustment with engine running. All right, let's take it off. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next episode. Check out my video down here where I weigh my lightweight silencer and my stock silencer. Here's my Elkford season pass. No problem getting this one off.